What's funny about this snow is the simple fact that day before yesterday we were all in the sun dying at like 80 degrees. That's beautiful though. But I'm going back to bed. Going. Feather's going to get her bear bag to make some hot cocoa. Feather in her caterpillar outfit. I can't feel my scissors.
And it's nice and up there. Yes. I'm in the Smokies and it's snowing. My shoes are wet from yesterday, so my toes are a little froze. Fingers are a little froze, everything's a little froze. Hopefully as I get moving, everything warms up. Just stopped for some water. Keep on keeping on. Here's some refreshing water. So delicious. So I'm heading down to Spencer's shelter. I don't think I've hiked that far. I only did 12 miles yesterday, but it was raining and thunder and lightning, and today it's snowing pretty hard. And I really don't know when the next shelter is or what the weather's supposed to be. So I figure come here real quick, check out the map, see if I can get signal. Otherwise I might be staying at this shelter tonight because I don't want to get stuck in the snowstorm. So I found out the forecast. I was just at the Spencer shelter. Han Solo! Hi, girl. I just went and checked out the shelter and checked the weather and stuff just to see, because the next shelter is 6 miles, but it's going to be 17 degrees tonight. 17. And we got 6 miles to get to there, and it starts to drop by like 4. So it's 24 degrees right now. And I just
see the snow on my eyelashes though?
I don't think until today I've, as a woman, have appreciated how fun it is to pee in the snow. It has kept up with the snowing, and things just keep getting more and more beautiful. It's just so cool out here. Including me. This guy probably has snot on my face. Probably shouldn't show myself. Look how cool that is. Look at the snow. Ice on it. Looks like coconut. Worn out, but I can't stop now because it's supposed to be 17 tonight and my shoes are soaked. Somewhere in the Smokies, on top of the mountain, in the middle of a storm, just hanging out. And I was just thinking things I could share with anybody who's planning on doing this. One of the girls that was at the shelter last night is always behind me. She stopped, she was in front of me because her feet are freezing because all of our shoes are soaked from being in the rain yesterday. And I told her, you just gotta keep moving, keep your blood circulating so your feet stay warm, because my feet are absolutely soaked, but they're warm because I don't stop. The other thing that's crucial out here, we're dropping, I think I'm at like 23 degrees right now. They said it wasn't supposed to drop till 4, but it's dropping faster than they said. Is water filters, the Sawyer water filters. These things will freeze and crack, so keep them in your pockets when you're hiking if it's this cold out, or at night, like tonight it's supposed to be 17. I'll do my best to keep it in your sleeping bag. And it's mid-April and this is our weather, so don't send your winter clothes home early for sure.